Let's go pick up my Honda CB750. It's been stored inside of a liquor store for the winter, and well, it's 60 degrees out today, and I feel like bringing it home. I'm gonna bring another motorcycle to the store and put, I think, the BSA in the store. I just want to get the Honda out because, I mean, it's a great rider. The bike runs super well, and I don't really have a bike that I can just go out and use right now. All the rest of the bikes are down, so I'm excited to get back on my CB750. So let's hitch a ride to the store and go and get the bike started and ride it home. It shouldn't have any problems, should start right up, so let's do it. So here we are. Let's pick the bike up, walk straight through the doors here. There's the Bullet, but the Honda is tucked all the way back here. Now, how am I gonna get it out is the real question, but we need to get the keys first and kind of get the bike out. So I'm gonna work on that. Wish me luck. Oh, here she is. I pulled her out. Key ready to go. I need to fill the tank up because this tank is drained. But I also have the battery in the car, which we are going to need. I have a little bit of gas, probably enough to get me to the gas station. Let's get the battery in the bike though. Got the battery in. Now we just need some gasoline and it should fire up. All right, now that she's running, let's go take her home. I'll first fill it all with gas and then we'll take her home because I don't want to run out on the way there because we're running on like a quarter gallon. I'm excited for this. Got a fresh tank in there. Now we're ready to ride. Let's hit it. Well, she ran very nicely. Idling nicely now as well with some heat into the motor. No problems, no hiccups. Gotta love these old Hondas. They just keep on running. And just like that, we're back at home. It's such a nice day out. It's such a nice day to bring this motorcycle back into the garage. It rides so smooth. These old Hondas are so good. And this bike rode almost without any hiccups. I did notice a little vibration in the front. I think it might be because it's time for new tires, or this tire might need to be filled up a little bit, or just rode. It might have just kind of D-shaped a little bit sitting. I'll make sure to double check that. We'll probably do some maintenance on the bike. I have a carb rebuild kit ready for it. We're going to change all the seals and stuff on the carburetors because, as you can see, they were leaking a little bit before the winter, and this carb leaks a good amount. I didn't notice any leaking today. Perhaps the gas has kind of gunked up and sealed everything for now, but I'm sure it'll start leaking in the semi-near future. I mean, it's such a good looking bike. 1976. It's an old classic that looks So good. There's a reason why we keep a lot of old Hondas around. They just work, they do everything so good. I'm excited to see what the 550 really rides like and really get it out once we can get it dialed back in. I'd be excited to see what a 404 feels like, CB404, which is the 400cc version of this bike. That one's a little bit more of a sporty bike, and they also have a 354, which is kind of like the miniature version of this almost. I'd be interested to see what those ride like. They're probably really nice. Anyways though, I'm gonna pull this bike inside. We'll probably do some maintenance, check the tires, oil the chain, change the oil in the bike, and do everything one time before I really get it out. But for now, yeah, I had a lot of fun today. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so you don't miss any videos in the future. If you guys have not seen the rest of the motorcycles in the collection, make sure to click here, watch some more videos, and check them out. As always, that's all I have, and I'll see you guys in the next one.